Welcome to Don't Lecture Me channel. Today we're playing something really fun. Guess the correct logo of some popular brand or an app. And before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of our videos. Let's get started. Good luck! Round 1. My subscribers are the smartest person in the world. You are sharp-witted. Round 2. Never let you down, buddy. Do you like my sense of humor? Round 3. I believe you can do it. You bring light to my life. Round 4. Please never give up. Is it hard for you? Round 5. I'm pretty sure you can do it. The answer is simple, right? Round 6. Be the best you can be. Remember it. I know it always seems impossible until it's done. Round 7. Hey, who's watching funny videos instead of doing their homework? Too many people undervalue what they are and overvalue what they're not. Round 8. I really love your smart brain. Do you already know the answer? Subscribe to my channel. See you soon!